Hello, and welcome to Michael's Baths, your #1 go-to for walk-in shower installations in Cottleville, Missouri. Are you growing tired of your outdated bathroom design? Would you like a walk-in shower installation provided by professionals? If so, and you live in Cottleville, Missouri, then you've come to the right place. We're proud to be the premier walk-in shower installation company, and we pride ourselves on being reliable, professional, and affordable. We're fully insured and licensed, and we can help you design and install the walk-in shower of your dreams. Contact us now for a free no-obligation consultation for your walk-in shower installation. Thank you for watching. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Go ahead and scan the QR code now to get a free quote. What are you waiting for? Scan the QR code now, and you can get a free quote as early as tomorrow.